And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest 30 minutes fantasy release. We have the Liber Warrior. Yeah, so this is actually the same as the Liber Holy Knight, where it includes the silhouette, the first class up armor, which is the Fighter, and then an additional class up, which is this one, the Warrior. It also has a Viking. Yeah, so as you can see in the back art, yes, it's the Liber Warrior here with an element core of earth. Very earthy colors here, very fighter like, with the torn clothes and everything. And off to the side, we can see here, I think the silhouette here is kind of different. It's shorter, I guess. Yeah, kind of looks shorter for me. And so the armor cross here, it is like I said, same with the Liber Holy Knight. First it becomes a knight, but here the silhouette becomes a fighter. And then with the job change or the class up armor, another armor cross, it becomes the Liber Warrior, same with the Holy Knight. And off to the other side, we can see here, yeah, some complete information about what the contents are. The contents are, the fighter, the warrior, and of course, yeah, something to tell you to assemble it with your own hands. Now, taking a look inside the box, so we see one bag. So same with the liver, the color is white. Yeah, it's kind of signifying good guy, I don't know, maybe. And then some orange here, colors. Yep, more white and light gray. Yeah, here are some of the sprues for the fighter. Same with here, I think this is for the fighter, job class change, and here more of the other parts for the silhouette and then the fighter. And of course, as you can see in the instruction manual, yeah, again, earth, and the story is there. Yep, so this shows you from silhouette to Liber Fighter, and then armor crossing to Liber Warrior, and also it tells you that there is another one, which is the Liber Viking. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first up is the A sprue. Now, yeah, kinda really actually is similar to the A sprue of the Liber Knight and Rosa Knight, only for this case it's white and then some orange for the earth element stuff. There's a B sprue here, and I guess it's the same, yeah. And then a C sprue, which again is similar. And there's a D1 here. Now this, I think this part is already different because of how short the leg is. Yeah, so D1, D2 is also here with the short legs. So I guess that's the difference, the main big difference, that is. There's an E1, again similar to the previous sprues of Liber Knight and Rosa Knight. Same with the E2. And F1 here is just the same, kind of the same, but orange color. F2 here is still kind of the same, but only brown or orange in color. Then yeah, so here's the G1, which is actually pretty new because of the fighter class up. And then we have another G1, kind of weird, and yeah, and then the G2, which actually might be the Liber Fighter sprues, and then because this is a Liber Warrior, it included some other stuff such as this one, which is for the warrior class up, so which is brown in color, yeah. And an A2 for that job class armor part, and then this one here, the B1, wherein this tries to emulate clothes, you know. And lastly, the another earth core here. And there you have it, Flamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Liber Warrior from 30 Minutes Fantasy. And if this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, liking and subscribing. And until next time, see you and thank you.